Hello students, today's session we are going to start with the term work 9. Let's try and understand the problem definition of term work 9. The problem definition says we need to write a JavaScript to accept the sides of a triangle and also calculate its area. So the first thing what comes to your mind when you try to calculate the area of the triangle is the formula half base into height. But this formula is useful when we have the values for breadth and height. But in this case, they have asked us to accept the user input in terms of sides and then calculate the area of the triangle. So in this situation, we are going to use the Heron's formula for calculating the area of the triangle. So we'll see first how the output is expected. So the output says there's a prompt. When you observe, you can understand there is a prompt which says this page says enter a value of side 1 and there are two buttons available, OK and cancel. So we are going to make use of the prompt, and in this way we are going to take input from the user for three sides of the triangle. After taking input for three sides of the triangle, we are going to calculate the area of triangle. All right, so let's check the So the first thing we are going to do is start with the HTML, that is a root element, followed by the head tag. Title we have given it as area of triangle. Close the head tag. Started with the body tag. We have used the heading tag, that is the H3 tag, which says area of triangles, and then we have started with the JavaScript. We have defined a function called as my function over here. Now what is this function supposed to do? It is supposed to accept user input and also calculate the area of the triangle as well as display the area of the triangle on the browser. So these three tasks are being done by the function called as my function. So the first thing what we have done is we require three sides. So to store these three sides of the triangle, we will require three variables. So I have created a variable side 1. Then this number is nothing but the input that is expected from the user. He should always enter a number, and then prompt, which is going to give us a prompt with two buttons, OK and cancel, and the string or text for the prompt is going to be enter a value of side 1. In the similar way, I'm going to create one more variable side 2, number as the return type, and prompt enter a value of side 2. Side 3, enter a value of side 3. So I have accepted user input for three sides. After accepting user input, my next task is, according to Heron's formula, I need to calculate first the perimeter of the triangle. So I have given the variable as p. Variable p is equal to, how do I calculate perimeter? Side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 divided by 2. And then this is the main Heron's formula. I've created a variable called as area. I'm going to use the math object. The Heron's formula says that area of the triangle is calculated as square root of perimeter into p minus side 1 into p minus side 2 into p minus side 3. This p is nothing but the perimeter which we have calculated over. After this entire calculation, the answer is going to be stored into the variable area. Then we want to try to write the value of the area of triangle on the screen. So I'm going to use the command document.write, says area of triangle is equal to, and then this area variable value which is stored, I'm just trying to, this is the end of my function. So my function has three tasks: accept user input, calculate parameter, calculate area, and display the area on my browser screen. And here is the most important thing, this is the function call. After the function call, I'm going to close the script, body and the HTML. So we will go and execute this program. The thing I do is open my notepad, start with HTML, the head tag followed by the title tag. Title I'm going to give it as area of triangle. Close the title tag, close the head tag. Next comes the body tag. The body I'm going to write 3 area triangle H3. I'm going to start with my script. So script, I'm going to give the name to my function as function. Alright, so this is my function name, and now I'm going to start with function. Function is nothing but set of block of code which is going to perform some particular task. So now to accept three sides as the input, I'm going to create the variable side. Okay, prompt. What is the text I want? Enter the value for side 1. Side 1's value I have and as the input. Then similar way, variable side 2 equal to number, prompt the value of 2. Okay. The third variable 3 is equal to prompt the value of side 3. So I've taken the input for 3 sides. My next task is I need to find the parameter of the triangle. So how do I find the parameter? Side 1, side 2, the side 3, the whole thing divided by 2. I'm going to create variable to store the area. I'm going to use the math object and the square root method of the math object parameter into parameter minus side 1 parameter minus side 1, right, into parameter minus side 2 into parameter minus side 3. Alright, so this is the Heron's formula to find the area of the triangle. Right, we are going to display this information. Instead, document dot write. So I want to write area of angle area, hence my function. Now I'm going to give a call to the function. Script tag, the body tag, then the HTML. File, save the AR HTML files, with there is a prompt which says enter the value for side 1. So I enter 5. Enter the value of side 2. I enter 4. Side 3 I'm going to enter as, you know, observe that showing that the area of triangle is equal to, you can use the formula and then try to find it out manually. You will get the area of triangle as. Thank you students. See you in the next session.